Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best Under Desk Treadmills in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Under Desk Treadmills. The fifth product on our list is Walking Pad P1. The Walking Pad P1 is cheaper than most of the Walking Pad treadmills, but the overall design principle is simple. If you've used other Walking Pad treadmills before, then this should feel pretty familiar. Aside from the overall function, the overall aesthetic also feels the same. The Walking Pad P1 is often compared to the Walking Pad A1 Pro. The main difference is that this device doesn't feature a tracker on the treadmill itself. Another key difference is that the motor of this device is weaker. This means it has a slower pace and a quieter running mode as well. However, since it's a lot cheaper than the A1 Pro, many users consider using this as an alternative. The Walking Pad P1's biggest asset is that it can be folded in half and stored under your couch when you're not using it. This is a great option if you're looking for something that won't really take up any space inside your home. The Walking Pad will need a companion app to make it work well. The app will include the trackers that are missing from the treadmill. Unfortunately, the Walking Pad P1's companion app is pretty glitchy at the moment, so bear with it if you will. This is one of the best options for those who are on a budget or for those that are looking for something that will fit their small living space. Up next in fourth place is the Walking Pad A1 Pro. The Walking Pad A1 Pro features a proven and tested design. The device is so slim it will fit under just about any desk, table, or bed. It's very easy to slide under too. This is the perfect treadmill to have if you're living in a tight space and want to keep healthy. Aside from its slim design, the minimalistic display and overall aesthetic of the Walking Pad A1 Pro makes it worth getting even more for those that are looking for something that fits a modern home aesthetic. The device can be used immediately out of the box as it's very easy to set up. Apart from that, the device features an easy-to-use remote control that doesn't take more than a few minutes to master. The screen located on the treadmill also displays your distance, time, and speed. Sadly, the device's trackers are a bit inferior compared to what others have on this list, so bear that in mind when getting this device. The device is compatible with a nifty KS Fit app on your phone. This allows you to use the Walking Pad A1 Pro in either manual or automatic mode. The automatic mode will change the pace of the treadmill depending on where you're walking. Walk closer to the front, and it speeds up. Walk around the back, and the treadmill slows down. This great feature also keeps you safe from tumbling down when walking backward. The Walking Pad A1 Pro is a great option that won't put too much of a toll on your budget. Its features are definitely worth checking out, but the overall design is what you should be after. Still haven't found a Under Desk Treadmills that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the GoPlus 1 HP Walking Treadmill. One of the great things about the GoPlus 1 HP Walking Treadmill is that it comes with a whopping 12 presets that will push your walking sessions to new heights. The programs are designed to change the pace of the treadmill automatically as you are using it. This will push you to pick up the pace as you go. With 12 presets to choose from, it's safe to say that there's a workout for everyone who's using the GoPlus 1 HP Walking Treadmill. When the GoPlus 1 HP Walking Treadmill gets shipped to you, it will be already assembled. All you need to do is to find a safe spot for the device, and it's ready to go. The device features an easy-to-read LED touchscreen located at the front, which displays the crucial info that you need. This touchscreen will also be used to control the device overall, just in case you don't have the remote control with you at the time. Unfortunately, the GoPlus 1 HP Walking Treadmill suffers from one critical flaw, and that's the fact that both the belt and the treadmill are pretty noisy. If you're using it in a solo environment, this wouldn't be a problem. However, this makes the device unfit for locations such as shared rooms inside the house as well as in office spaces, so bear this in mind. The treadmill will emit a strong sound from beginning to end, so there's no escaping that. The GoPlus 1 HP Walking Treadmill is a good treadmill that suffers from a bad flaw. However, if you're going to use the device in a solo environment, then the noise shouldn't matter. The second product on our list is the LifeSpan Under Desk Treadmill Tr1200-DT3 GlowUp. The LifeSpan Under Desk Treadmill Tr1200-DT3 GlowUp is also one of the most versatile and premium treadmills out there. One of the best things about this treadmill is that it has a weight limit of 350 pounds, which is the most on this list. That means that the treadmill can accommodate just about anyone, which is surprising if you take a look at how slim and simple the device really is. Controlling the LifeSpan Under Desk Treadmill Tr1200-DT3 GlowUp is relatively easy too. There's a large console with big buttons to make changing the device's speed easier. On top of that, the treadmill is compatible with a screen that displays important stats to help you keep track of your progress. The LifeSpan Under Desk Treadmill Tr1200-DT3 GlowUp is also a quiet device. That's because the device includes 6 impact-absorbing zones, which can help greatly reduce the sound it makes as you use it. Speaking of which, the device also features Bluetooth connectivity, which connects directly to the LifeSpan Active Track Fitness app so that you can track and compare your progress regularly. The expensive LifeSpan Under Desk Treadmill Tr1200-DT3 GlowUp is definitely a premium treadmill that comes with the works. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad. The Treadpad is the best under desk treadmill around for many reasons. The first one is the fact that this is one of the most affordable treadmills around right now. In some stores, the entire rig can go for as low as $499, which is a few $100s cheaper than what you would typically find on the market. When it ships, the Treadpad is already fully assembled and ready to go. The package will include a handle that you can easily connect at the sides for stability. One thing you'll notice with the Treadpad during your initial use is that it's very quiet, and we mean that in the best way possible. It really feels like you're just taking a leisurely stroll. This is perhaps one of the key defining features of why we love the Treadpad so much. The Treadpad has a top speed of 8 miles per hour only. This means that you're only going at a walking pace, which could be a problem for those looking for a more intense workout. The device comes with a visible and stylish digital display that takes note of your speed, distance, calories burned, and steps taken. Thanks to its great placement, you can easily look down and check your progress while working out. The major downside of the Treadpad is that it's fully remote controlled, and without it, you won't be able to use the Treadpad at all. Losing the remote will cause you a lot of trouble. The Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad isn't perfect, but it definitely aces under desk treadmill standards out there. It's a great find for those looking for a quick and easy way to sweat. And that's all for our top 5 best under desk treadmills on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.